The first step to selecting the proper RV cover is not only knowing what type of RV you have, it's also understanding how to properly determine the length. The given measurements for an RV might not take into consideration things like ladders or spare tires, so always take the measurement yourself, making certain to include these in the overall length. As a best practice, always measure from bumper to gain the total length of the unit. If you don't have a tape measure that can measure the length of the RV in its entirety, pick a place that you can measure to, and then from. After the measurements are taken, add up the lengths to get the total length. The height of the covers are the same, but the total coverage of the RV might vary depending on your rooftop appurtenances like air conditioners or a vent. Once you know the total length of the RV, use the sizing chart to determine which cover is best for you. Our travel trailer measured just under 24 feet, so it's important that you, when selecting your cover, measure the next size up. Where we can see there's a 22 to 24, we would want to go with the 24 to 27 for just a little extra room.